Divine Collective, we're starting out with domination, imprisonment, anxiety, and conditioned patterns here, okay? The attacks don't affect you. You've transmuted all the death spells. Doing the right things, Divine Collective, have kept you in alignment, Spirit is telling me. Someone wants to come in and give you the wrong advice here. Be cautious, okay? They want to give you the wrong advice because you're glowing, because you're having a glow up, Divine Collective. This is someone who has followed you from past lifetimes. I get that a lot as well, Divine Collective. It's time to embrace your shadow side. And I'm also picking up on someone trying to attack an old wound of yours, something that you have since healed, Divine Collective, but because this person does not know the new version of you, okay, they're still trying to attack an old version of you. I heard embrace your shadow side, Divine Collective. True love doesn't manipulate or deceive, okay? Not everyone who crossed your path was meant to stay. Some were assignments. Someone here has a deep respect for how you carry yourself, Divine Collective. Someone that you're divorced from. I'm getting divorce finalized, okay? Divorce finalized. They have a deep respect for how you carry yourself. However, this is someone who is in a cult, okay? This ties into the storyline somehow. Maybe someone you were married to, now divorced from, because I heard divorce finalized. They joined a cult, a secret society, Divine Collective. I see you here closing out old chapters, moving forward. Spirit says you see them exactly as they are because you are the master alchemist, Divine Collective. You are now able to see whoever this person is exactly as they are, in their true form, I'm being told. You know, that's wild, Divine Collective, because just a couple days ago, I can see, like I have the gift of sight, but the past couple days, I can really see through people, Divine Collective, and it doesn't make me feel one way or the other. However, it can become very overwhelming when you're out in public because there's so many energies, and I pick up on all of them, it seems, so I become overwhelmed, Divine Collective. But I've been able to see people in their true form, okay? And it's really wild because, like I said, I'm so indifferent. I don't feel one way or the other about it. It is what it is, right? Someone here wants to finish what they started, Spirit is telling me. Some endings are necessary for alignment, okay? So in order for you, because what I'm getting is that you are in alignment. Because of the good choices that you continue to make, you are in alignment, Divine Collective, and someone wants to throw you off here. So because this person, you know, won't stop, they've been warned, Spirit says they won't stop, there needs to be an ending here so that you can stay in alignment. Because whoever this is, whatever this is, they continuously try to throw you out of alignment. When you get exactly where you need to be, Divine Collective, I'm getting tongue-tied. It's like when you get there, you get to the finish line, you're about to cross over, it's like something happens. You know, like something, an emergency happens and everything shuts down and the race, they want to continue it to a later date and you're like right there, okay? That's what I'm picking up on. So some endings are necessary for alignment. So someone or something is going to be taken out of this timeline so that, you know, you can move forward and stay in alignment here. That's what I'm getting. Someone is saying, I want my divine feminine back. It could be, I did get a divorce finalized. I do feel like this is someone's ex-husband or ex-wife saying, I want you back. There's some type of abrupt ending here, Divine Collective. Church leaders arrested. Church leaders, I keep picking up on church cults, Divine Collective, a lot about the church I keep picking up on. 11 years old I'm getting in this once again, Divine Collective, you are attracting an emperor, an empress here because of the energy that you're in. And someone is secretly scared, going through towers. Keep minding your business, Divine Collective. You are very close to success. They continue to reveal their true nature. Step into your personal power and take charge. There's a fight breaking out here because your feelings are not mutual about someone, so a fight is breaking out. What? A dark coven. I'm getting a dark coven in this reading, Divine Collective. Spirit says that faith and gratitude turn life into abundance. There's a Scorpio here that's very evil. I'm getting an evil Scorpio in this reading. Spirit says this is a liar. Pattern recognition. I'm hearing your pattern recognition is driving a warlock insane who is triggered by your light, okay? Something about you mastering pattern recognition, okay? This warlock is a liar, I heard. You will be receiving compensation for everything that you've lost, Divine Collective. resurrecting arguments and discussions that are already finalized. Yeah, someone is absolutely trying to bring up the past or something, Divine Collective, to kind of get you to argue with them, fight with them, to get you to show some type of emotion, because Divine Collective, you're too happy. This is what I'm getting, and yeah, I'm being very sarcastic. You're just too happy out there. You're looking too good out there, Divine Collective, and someone really just does not like this at all. So they want to resurrect some type of argument, some type of discussion that has already been finalized. Spirit says they regret ghosting you. This is someone who ghosted you. They regret it. The Three of Swords is here. Death of the old self. 743. Paving the way for new life. Spiritual evolution. I'm picking up on. Piss poor apologies. I heard effing liars. Someone's ancestor is mad, right? Because someone is wanting to apologize. They really do. They do want, their wife back, their husband back. They regret ghosting you. However, they're still lying. And it's like the audacity. I'm getting a piss poor apology, okay? They want to finish what they started because you are the jackpot, Divine Collective. Yeah, whoever this is, I'm getting unethical, dishonest behavior, Divine Collective. The underworld. Lake of fire. Fire and brimstone. Pain, punishment, netherworld. Place of darkness. Piss poor apologies. The underworld wants to dominate source. 8:53 on the clock. Okay? Spirit says they're all liars. And now they want sympathy. I'm getting RICO charges. Spirit says they're not getting any sympathy over here. We've had to break all these spells on our own, Divine Collective. And they're all being exposed. Slowly but surely, Spirit says. 9:22 on the clock. Spirit, in ending, Divine Collective, because I love how Spirit lays these cards out for me. After all of that, look what we get. Pray for them still. Pray for them still. Spirit is asking you to pray for these energies still, Divine Collective, but make sure that you're holding strong to your boundaries when it comes to these energies, because this is what their job is, Divine Collective. This is what they wake up to do every single day, is to throw us off.